Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKit Club. I'm working with the April kits and today is Sunday and it's Moodboard Sunday. And our topic for today is Mom or Mother's Day. And I was totally inspired by the image with the pink flowers and the blue-greenish background and with the lemons. And so I couldn't resist. I needed to grab the lemons from the Pink Fresh Studio ephemera pieces from the February kits just because I wanted to use lemons. And these are something like when life gives you lemons, you know, and being a mom can be very tricky and very, yeah, you know, it's we are all getting mad from time to time. And so yeah, we all try to do or to make the best out of each situation, and so I thought it would go perfectly with my mother or mom theme. And I'm scrapping about me being a mom, so yeah. But back to the layout. I grabbed a Vicky Booten stencil we got in one of the color kits quite a while ago, but I wanted to use it. And I'm also using one of the Nuvo inks, and this one called Mint Macaroon, and I just added the ink through the stencil. And I just wanted to have a bit of color in the background. Now I will bring in some splatters and then I will work on my layering. And I cut out the word mom or the letters from a piece of white cardstock, and I distressed the edges, or I will do that. And my idea was to create the word mom with lots of flowers and clusters around the middle letter, the O, and then I also wanted to bring in a picture. And so we will work on that. And yeah, I really love how the layout turned out, and I really had fun. And yeah, here you can see I'm just distressing the edges with my nails, and I'm just going around the letter, and I'm just adding some texture to that, to the paper. Most of the stuff I'm not using much from the April kits. I did some fussy cutting from the Amy Tangerine butterfly paper. I will grab puffy stickers and some little bits and bobs, but most of the things I'm using, or all of the flowers I'm using, they are all from the February kits. And but you know, it's also important to use up the stash or the leftover from the kits, and we all doing that. When you need something from a previous kit, you're just grabbing it, because most of the time all of the kits are working very well together, so it's always good to have your leftovers nearby, so you can just reach out and use them. And here you can see I'm using these Pink Fresh Studio pieces, and I'm also adding a bit of texture by distressing the edges with my nails. And I'm just adding them to my paper, and you can see I'm only decorating only the middle letter. So I really love how this is looking, and I'm just adding the flowers, and I really love how this is looking so far. And I knew that I will use these Pink Fresh Studio flowers one day, and I'm totally happy that I finally did. And yeah. So now the papers, or the little bits, the ephemera pieces I used on top of the letter, it's they are from Simple Stories, I believe, from the April kit. And I grabbed the banner that said "Choose Happy," and but I will cover that little banner up with the word hello with the darker turquoisey tone you can see on the right side, but you will see that on the final pictures. Yeah, just adding more and more, and I just love how this is coming together. I really had fun, and I really love these lemons, and yeah. So now I will take a break and I will glue everything down. You can see everything is stick to the paper. I used foam tape and 3D dots, and just for lots of dimension. Here are the other things from the April kits, the Mackie Holmes puffy stickers, and I would just grab a few of them, some tiny hearts, and the butterfly, and then I will have a look into the other things. And I thought I would not use any of the crystals, but in the end I will use them, or some of them, some of the yellow ones, but you will see that on the final pictures as well. So now you can see I'm just adding the butterflies, and I really love that I have two of the same type, you know. Just one is a bit smaller, and I just love how this is looking. Now I'm looking to the through the Mackie Holmes sticker book, but I believe I will not use any of them. I wanted to bring in some little orange flowers from this pack or this sheet, but I will not, just because it's a totally different flower, and I don't know, it was not feeling right, and so I will not use any of them. But I will bring in some 2 word stickers from these little sticker book, and one is, let me have a look, I'm not sure. One is things to remember and important details, and I will add my journaling later, and I will just talk about the sour sides from being a mom, you know, the where you're just making a silly face and you're just thinking, nope. But yeah. So just adding my journaling lines, and then I am nearly done. So you will get a close-up in a bit and some final pictures, and I believe I will only add some gold splatters around my layout, and then I am totally done, and I totally love how this is looking. And thank you so much for stopping by. I wish you all a great day. Hug your mom and your kiddos, and have a great sunny day. And that's it for today. Thank you, and bye bye.